At number 1, we have the Garcia Revo X, engineered for anglers who demand power, precision, and unbeatable durability. Its advanced C6 carbon frame provides a perfect balance of lightweight feel and incredible strength. The carbon matrix drag system delivers a massive 20 pounds of smooth, consistent drag. Get perfect casting control and say goodbye to backlash with the MagTrax braking system. From beginners to pros, the Garcia Revo X is the premium performance reel for every angler.
At number 2, we have the reel that's changing the game for anglers on a budget. The KastKing Spartacus II Baitcasting Reel. This isn't just any reel. It's a featherlight powerhouse, tipping the scales at a mere 6 ounces for all-day fishing comfort. Engineered for performance, its double-bearing supported pinion gear delivers 35% smoother operation under load. Stop fighting your gear and start fighting the fish. With up to 17.6 pounds of drag power, you're in complete control. And say goodbye to frustrating backlashes. The double-tapered control chute line guide reduces friction and keeps your line straight. High performance, lightweight design, and unbeatable value. The KastKing Spartacus II. Upgrade your reel. Upgrade your catch.
In our countdown of the best bait casting reels, we've reached number 4, the KastKing Royale Legend 2. A low-profile reel designed for comfort and long casting sessions. It uses double-bearing supported pinion gear technology for smoother retrieves and improved durability. The multi-setting magnetic braking system lets you fine-tune control and minimize backlash. Perfect for anglers of all skill levels. Lightweight yet strong, it's built for smooth performance without the fatigue, as confirmed by thousands of anglers. With a 4.5-star rating from over 5,000 reviews. Customers love its smooth operation and unbeatable value. The KastKing Royale Legend 2 today for just $39.09 and upgrade your fishing game without breaking the bank.
At number 5, we have the Piscifun Torrent Baitcasting Reel, a budget-friendly reel that doesn't skimp on performance. Its double-bearing supported pinion gear boosts smoothness by 30% under load, featuring a powerful 18-pound carbon fiber drag system for better braking and longer life. The 5-magnet braking system effectively prevents backlashing, perfect for beginners. Available in 5.3.1 and 7.1.1 gear ratios for any fishing style. The 4.5 out of 5-star rating from over 6,000 anglers, it's an Amazon's choice for a reason.